Boom! Hello, my name is Cash with the Spicy Ghost, and today we're going to be talking about OBS WebSocket, and you will also be needing Streamlabs chatbot with the OBS remote script. So once you download both of these, make sure they're installed, and then we're going to go into your OBS. This is obviously what mine is working or looking like. Right now I'm working on my lighting project, but just to show you right here, we're going to operate the white top, and it doesn't really matter, but you can do it as a grouping or individual sources. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your commands, add. So we're just going to do Spotlight. So in the files that you download, you'll also see the coding that you can use with the script. All you're going to do is figure out what you want from it and how you want it to operate when you turn or off the command. So for example, we're going to do, it always starts out as OBS, and we're just going to do source. So when we write the code, we want it to make sure it's cap sensitive, so you want to be wary of that. So it's going to be source first, and then what you want it to do. So in our case, we want it to turn it on, so we're going to do exclamation point or quotes true, and then if you wanted to turn it off, it'd be false. And then we want to reference the scene that is on. Mine is on the main scene, is what I call mine. So now it says Spotlight, OBS source, the white top source. We want it on, so true, and the source is in the main scene. So go ahead and hit submit. My bot is connected, so if you go into the personal thing down here, and then you go to OBS remote, this is all blacked out because I don't want you seeing what I'm doing. Just make sure it is connected to your OBS. In order to make sure you do that, you're going to go up here to WebSocket server settings, go up there, and then also same thing, it's going to tell you the server port and all that. And I'm on the Twitch app right now, so just to show you that I'm not messing with my computer at all, this is all remote. So we're going to do exclamation point spotlight. And I didn't even touch anything. Now look. Boom. All with chat. Now watch. I'm going to turn it off again. So in here, the lights went off. One more time. Spotlight. Boom. Instantaneous. So using chat, you can have chat interact with your stream with different commands, different sources, and you can, there's no limits to this, honestly. I have over 300 commands in my stream, and this lighting project that I'm working on, I'm actually about to add up to 500, so it's going to get a little crazy. But that is how you do OBS WebSocket chat interactive commands. So hopefully you guys learned something today. Again, my name is Cash with the Spicy Ghost. I do stream on Twitch, and if you would like to follow me, I will be streaming OBS help streams, and also I will be performing live. But as always, stay spicy.